Welcome to today's video. I am making creamy pumpkin soup that is very nutritious. Our ingredients are pumpkin, tomatoes, onion, garlic, ginger and cream. So guys, let me prepare the pumpkin, and as I do so, I will take you through the benefits. Pumpkins are very rich in vitamin A and a lot of vitamins that boost immunity and protect eyesight. They have high antioxidant content and they may reduce risk of chronic diseases and lower risk of cancers. They have low calorie count that promotes weight loss. So guys, stay tuned and watch the video up to the end. We now use a spoon to scoop out the pulp and the seeds. Do not throw away the seeds because they are nutritious. They are high in carotenoids that promotes healthy skin. And do a separate video later on how to prepare the seeds. So guys, let us slice our pumpkin into small cubes. Make sure you don't throw the back skin. Wash our pumpkins thoroughly, ready for cooking. We also prepare our ginger and garlic, tomatoes and the onions. Remember, we also have our cream that we are going to use at the last stage of our making of the soup. us now transfer our soup back to the pot so that we can add the cream and the red pepper. Then we boil it a bit, then our pumpkin soup will be ready. Soup is ready. So guys, if it is your first time to watch my videos and you have liked it, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss my future videos. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye.